Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create a website for specialty pop-up shops business easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. Now let's enter the website. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content, and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first, create a new site. Now build with editor, Wix editor. Here enter your business type, specialty. So for example, let's choose this. If you wanna skip, you can skip from here. Enter your store name or your business name. Type any business name you want. Do you already have an online store? Not yet. Now let's continue. What will you like to sell? Physical products, dropshipping product. So let's choose them all here and let's continue. Where would you like to sell? My mobile app, online store and marketplaces and social media. Now continue to dashboard. So here you can design your site. Click here. How would you like to design your website? If you wanna let Wix create a site for you, or if you wanna customize the design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this. It's more easier. Now enter your information here, your business name, the email, and the address, the phone, and here if you wanna add social link. So let's continue. Pick a theme you like. So for example, this. Pick your favorite homepage design. So for example, this. Here if you wanna add page to your site. Wait a few seconds to preparing the homepage website. Now your site is up and running. So if you want to edit more your site, click here. This is your website homepage. So if you want to add some elements, click here. So the first element here, the text. If you want to edit the site or the form of the text, you find the titles and the paragraphs. So if you want to edit the size or the shape or the form of the titles. So let's move on now to the image. The image elements, if you're looking for something, if you want to upload image, if you want to import image, if you're looking for some free Wix image, free Wix illustrations. So that's it. Now let's move on to the buttons. Here you find the buttons. If you want to edit the size or the shape of the buttons, you can select any button here and add it on your home page website. Let's move on. Here you find the themed buttons, the text and icon buttons, the icon buttons, the image buttons, documents buttons, and the iTunes buttons. Here the last end is the payments buttons, pay buttons, and the PayPal. You have to add some payments buttons on your homepage website. Now let's move on to the strip. The strip elements, here you find the classic, featured, about, services, contact, welcome, testimonials, and theme. Select any one of them and you can put it on your homepage website. Let's move on to the decorative. Here you find the shapes, the themed lines, the basic shapes, the arrows, the horizontal lines, and the vertical lines. Here you find the vector art, the featured, the icons, the animals and nature, and the logos and the badges, and the characters. And the last here you find the video elements, video box and the video mask and transparent video. You can add any one of them on your homepage website. Just hold on it like this. You can add it on your homepage at any place you want. So that's it. So let's move on to the box. The boxes elements. So here find the themed boxes, the container boxes, and the over boxes and the tabs. Also here the galleries. If you're looking for some recommended galleries, if you wanna add some pro galleries or guide galleries or slider galleries. So let's move on to the menu in the anchor. Here you find the menus elements, the menus, the same menus, the horizontal menus and the vertical menus. So if you wanna add something on your website, just put it on your home page, and that's it. Now let's move on to the in-page navigation, the anchor and the in-page menu. You find also here the search, the site search. So let's move on to the contact and forms elements. Here you find all the contact forms, all the forms you have to add on your home page, the contact forms, the order forms, the registration forms, the donation forms, application forms, the feedback forms, and the request forms, and the waiver and subscribe forms. Here if you want to add some normal maps, if you want to add some full width maps, and here if you want to add some Wix chat button or line button. Here you find the video and the music elements. So here if you want to edit your video elements, here if you want to add some single video players, Wix video, video box, video mask or transparent video. Also here you find the music elements, the audio players. If you want to add some audio players or Wix music, SoundCloud player or Spotify player or iTunes button. Now let's move on to the interactive. If you want to add some slideshows, the full width slideshows or the boxes slideshows. Here if you want to add some boxes, some light boxes, here the normal boxes, the over boxes and tabs, and the last here is the over repeaters. Let's move on to the list elements. Here you find the over repeaters and the blank repeaters. Here you find the embed code if you wanna custom some popular embeds. If you wanna add some single video players. Here if you wanna edit the audio elements, SoundCloud player or Spotify player or iTunes button. And the last here the advanced elements, the marketing tools or the below dev mode. And here the last is the animation elements. So let's move on to the social bar. If you want to add some social bars, you can also add the Facebook link or the Twitter or Pinterest or VK or Line. You can also add your YouTube channel, the Wix channel on your home page. Here you find the payments. If you want to add some payments buttons, if you want to edit the payments forms, the pricing plans and the store. So let's move on to the CMS here. If you want to easily manage your site content, here the blog. If you want to share your expertise and engage with your audience, and here you find the store elements. You can edit the store here, the bookings elements and the related elements, the pricing plans and the events if you want to create and manage events. And here you find the community, and the last is your designs. So that's it. Now if you want to add some sections, click here, select any section you want from here, and you can add it on your home page, easy and quick. Now let's move on to the page and menus. If you want to add some page and menus, let's move on to the site design. So here if you want to customize your site design, if you want to edit the color theme or the text theme, the page background or the page transitions, here if you want to add some apps, if you want to manage if you want to manage your business, here if you want to upload your media, you can edit images and videos. Here if you're looking for some free Wix images or free Wix videos, if you want to easily manage your site content. And here the last is marketing, is Google ads if you want to edit the Facebook ads or social media marketing and the marketing integrations. So that's it. Now after you're done from designing your website, all you have to do is click here, publish. You're gonna publish your website easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.